Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Grammio English. I'm your host, Emma.
And I'm Ryan. Great to be here. So, Emma, what are we diving into today?
Today, we're talking about something I think everyone struggles with. How to describe your house or apartment without just saying, it's big or it's nice.
Oh, I feel that. It's so easy to fall back on the same boring words. So you're saying we're going to learn how to describe our homes like a native speaker?
Exactly. Let's start with the basics. Size. Instead of just big, what else could we say, Ryan?
Well, if it's big in a good way, with lots of room to move, you could say it's spacious.
Spacious. I love that word. Or if it has big windows and gets a lot of light, you could say it's airy.
Yeah, airy is great. It gives you a really clear picture. Okay, so what about the opposite? Instead of just small?
Okay, so if it's small but you like it feels warm and comfortable, you'd say it's cozy.
Right, cozy, like a little cabin.
But if it's small in a bad way, like there's not enough space for your stuff, the word you're looking for is cramped.
Ugh, cramped. I think we've all lived in a cramped apartment at some point. Mine was so cramped, the oven door wouldn't open all the way.
No way. See, that's the perfect word for it. Okay, so we've got size covered. Let's move on to the overall style or feeling of a place.
Oh yeah, the aesthetic. Like you could have a modern house. Think lots of glass, clean straight lines, very simple colors.
Or the opposite of that could be rustic.
Rustic, yeah. What does that bring to mind for you?
For me, rustic is all about natural materials. Lots of wood, maybe a stone fireplace. It feels very, homey and connected to nature.
Totally. And then there's my personal favorite, minimalist.
Of course you're a minimalist, Ryan.
Hey, what can I say? I just like things clean and uncluttered. Not a lot of furniture, not a lot of decorations, just the essentials.
See, I'm the opposite. I need my stuff around me. I like a house that feels lived in. Not messy, just comfortable, like someone actually lives there.
That makes sense. Lived in is a good one. Okay, how about we talk about some common phrases people use to describe the layout of a house?
Ooh, good idea. The number one phrase you'll hear these days is open concept.
Right, an open concept layout.
Yeah, that's where the kitchen, dining area, and living room are all combined into one big, spacious room instead of being separated by walls.
It's great for having people over, but not so great when you burn something in the kitchen and the smell goes everywhere.
So true. Then, for older houses, you might say it has a quirky layout.
Quirky, I like that.
Yeah, maybe the rooms are strange shapes or there's a little staircase to nowhere. It means it's unusual, but in a charming way. It has a lot of character.
Ah, the classic, it has character. That's a great phrase. It can mean it's unique and interesting, or it can be a polite way to say it's a little bit old and weird.
It's all about your tone of voice with that one. One last phrase everyone loves to hear. It gets plenty of natural light.
Oh, absolutely. That just means it has big windows and is very bright and sunny during the day. A huge plus.
For sure. Well, this has been super helpful. I feel like I can go describe a mansion now.
Me too. All right, quick recap. Instead of big, try
spacious or airy.
Instead of small, maybe
cozy if it's nice, or cramped if it's not.
And don't forget to mention the style, like modern, rustic, or minimalist, and the layout, like open concept.
Perfect. Well, that's all the time we have for today. We hope you've learned some great new vocabulary.
Thanks for tuning in to Mr. Grammio English. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye for now.